we're gonna be doing behind the scenes of the Grand German Girl thing.
Yeah, okay. She goes first, I go last.
Okay.
Well, enough. Okay, so, Joy. Joy! Am I intruding? Okay, so, what I do is I pin back all my hair, but as you can tell right now, my hair is not pinned back. Okay, so, you have the wig like this, with all the hair out. The tangles in the back. Okay, so I extend it, and I put it over your head. And there is that. Okay, so, I'm gonna grab this piece of hair, and I'm going to twist it. And then I'm going to pin it up like that, and I take a bobby pin. And I pin it like this. Right there. Okay. And, you want to make sure that it's pinned so that it's like partially pinned to your real hair. So that it's like that. Okay. And so, now then, okay, so my outfit is, overalls, which I got them from the suspenders. And I got them from the Silverdale Mall. And the store was Hot Topic. They were like $7. These are lime green. And, I have a shirt tucked under my skirt. Yep. I got the skirt from my mom's bedroom. I'm not sure where she got it. And my undershirt was from Paisley's Fashion, which is the tallest store. And, and it's in Squims by Sunny Farms. And Squims is basically like right next to Angela. So yeah. But, and my mom got my shirt from the Goodwill over there in Port Angeles. Joy! Okay. Well, Joy's having a gas problem. Okay, so, here she is now. What? So Joy's gonna show you how she gets dressed and what she's wearing and how she does her hair and how she does her makeup. I just put on a simple like cover everyday look. So yeah, here's Joy with her details. Overall, shoes. I don't have shoes on. I only really have 3 things to my outfit. Don't watch away from that, Abby. Don't. Okay, sorry. So I really only have 3 parts to my outfit: the makeup. You can't really tell, but I like. But ow! Oh my God, Abby, hold! I know! So I have 1 night here, 2 across my face, and some under here, and on my cheeks, and then I have eyeshadow, and that's it. And, so I put my hair out like this. and I twirl it like that. And then I kind of let it out by doing that. And then flip it up with this clip. And pull the hair down. And then put my glasses on. Punch over, scrunch my lips. Now green. Okay, so the outfit. As you can see, this is like Mary's sock, and that's supposed to be well, I'm wearing my mom's bra, and I'm wearing my mom's bra, and I stuffed it with rags. And but this is just a button-up piece with hair, and I usually hike up the skirt, but with a button, okay, and I'm good. And I usually put in some body powder, but I just took a shower, so yeah. But that's all. Thank you for going behind the scenes. Abby, down the way. Oh snap! Who's that dude? I don't even know his name. No, where's your wig? Wig. Put it on first. Actually, put it on. And here's my awesome fuzzy hat. And here's my knitted granny hat.